trigonometric functions. In that we will see solution of the triangle. First we have seen polar coordinates and Cartesian coordinates. Now next part is solution of a triangle. So here see triangle ABC is there, and then ABC are the angles. Angles are represented by the, always remember in this full chapter, angles will be represented by capital letters A, B, C, and see the sides AC, BC and AB are the sides of the triangle. So opposite of A you will write small a, which is side BC. Then opposite of B you will write here B, and opposite of C you will write here small c, and the sides are represented by small a, b, c. So here BC will be A, AC will be B, and AB will be C. Now first we will see there are three rules here: sine rule, cosine rule and projection rule. So first we will see the sine rule. Sine rule is A. See, always A small means side, small a means side, small ABC means side, and capital ABC means angles. So A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C. Now here see, if you, this is the circumcircle, from here if you draw the circle, and then the this A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C is equal to 2r. Suppose this is the radius of the circle, then this sine rule is equal to, this ratio is equal to 2r, double of the radius, and which is constant, we can say it as k. Now this formula is only modified in different ways, that is different forms of sine rule. So this you can take its reciprocal, that is sine A upon A, sine B upon B, sine C upon C is equal to k. Means 1 upon 2r also you can write, which is equal to k. It is constant. Now see here, third will be if A upon B, means B if you take this side and sine A to this side, so you can write separately this 2 and this 2 separately we can write. Say A upon B is equal to sine A upon sine B. Then if this C we will take this side and sine B to this side. So B upon C is equal to sine B upon sine C. Like this also you can, these two ratios you can take and write in the same way, means A upon C is equal to sine A upon sine C. Now here see next, if you do cross multiplication, A sine B is equal to B sine A, and B sine C is equal to C sine B. Main this formula, if you remember, we can change it into any form. If you remember the first formula, you can change it into any form. Next is A. See here, see in the first one, if you we can write A like this. See, A is equal to A upon sine A is equal to 2r. Therefore A is equal to 2r into sine A. In the same way, B is equal to 2r into sine B, and C is equal to 2r into sine C. These all are called as sine rule. Next is cosine rule. So cosine rule, say same, the triangle ABC, these are the sides and these are the angles. Now see how to remember. You have to take in the, say in the cyclic form, say like this, from here clockwise direction. A square is equal to, we will start from here, A square. Now in the cosine formula, cos A, cos B and cos C will come, that you remember. So A square is equal to, see square to the left hand side, A square is equal to B square plus C square minus 2 this B C cos A. What here left hand side we are taking A, so its angle cos a. See the cyclic way. A square is equal to b square plus c square minus 2bc cos a. Now next, b square formula, how we will write? B square. B square is equal to, go like this cyclic way only. B square is equal to c square plus a square minus 2ca cos b, because here b is there. Now how to write c square formula? A square plus b square minus 2ab, and here c is there, therefore cos c. So in this way, if you will remember, we will not forget the formula. Say it again. A square is equal to b square plus c square minus, always here minus 2bc, this two alphabet b, these two sides b, c, and cosine rule is there, therefore cos, and here what is there? A. This side is there, you have to write here angle. B square is equal to c square plus a square minus 2ca cos b, and in the same way c square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab cos c. In this formula only, in another way, cos a is equal to, cos a means, suppose this full term if you take to the left hand side, cos a is equal to b square plus c square minus a square upon 2bc. Again in the same way only, cos a is equal to, a is there, so b square plus c square minus a square upon 2 this bc. Cos b is equal to, after b what comes? C square plus a square minus b square upon 2ca, and cos c is equal to, say a square plus b square minus c square upon 2ab. So in this way, remember the formulas. Next is projection rule. Okay. See the projection rule. In the year also, in this way only you have to remember. For projection rule, what will be the formula there? In cosine it was a square b square c square. Here for projection rule, a b c. So say a is equal to, b is equal to, and c is equal to formula is there. So how you will remember the formula? Suppose you have to write the formula of a. So a is equal to, right after a what comes? B, right here middle, plus here c. Here always cos only will come, so right hand take here cos. Now here c is there, here c opposite. Now here c is there, you will write here c, and here b is there, you will write here angle b. In this way you will remember. Now here b formula if you want. After b what comes? C. Here plus a, both side write cos and take, and here a is there, so here angle a. Here c is there, so here angle c. Again c formula how we will write? After c what comes? A plus b, both you will write here cos, and here b is there, so here capital B. Here a is there, therefore here capital A. See. So in this way you will remember the formula. Now we'll see exercise 3.2, question number 3. So in the question number 3, in triangle ABC, A is equal to 45 degree, B is equal to 60 degree. Find the ratio of its sides. Okay, so here A is given, B is given. A capital B means angles are given, and you have to find the ratio of its sides. Sides means small ABC, so you have to find A is to B is to C. Now two angles are given. We want to find we want the third angle, that is angle C. So we know that sum of angle of a triangle is 180 degrees. So A plus B plus C is equal to 180. So A and B we know. So C is equal to 180 minus 105. Therefore C is equal to 75 degrees. Now here we will use our sine rule. What is write down the sine rule? A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C is equal to K. Now we will take two of it. First two and then this second and third. So A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B, and B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C. Now in different forms of sine rule we have written it. Take B this side. We want the ratio, means A is to B we want, that is A upon B. A upon B is equal to sine A upon sine B. B upon C is equal to sine B upon sine C. Means we want A is to B, meaning of this is what? A is to B is equal to sine A is to sine B. In the same way, B is to C is equal to sine B is to sine C. Now how will write? Say A is to B is to C. Here B is common, so we will not write double. A is to B is to C is equal to, here also same way, A is to B is to sine A is to sine B is to sine C. So here we got a ratio. A is to B is to C is equal to sine A is to sine B is to sine C. Now substitute the values. We want this only, we want A is to B is to C. So A we know, B we know, and C also we know. So sine 45, sine 60 and sine 75. Sine 45 value we know, that is 1 upon root 2 is to sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. But we want to find sine 75. So see how to find sine 75 value. Sine 75 we can write as, last year we have done this. Sine 75 is equal to sine 45 plus 30. 45 plus 30 is 75. Now we will use the formula sine A plus B. Sine A plus B formula is sine A cos B cos plus cos A sine B. Now here A and B, say 45 and 30 we will take. So this is A and this is B. Use the same formula. Sine 45 sine 30 plus cos 45 into sine 30. Use the formula sine A plus B. Now all this you have to take such values addition that we know its standard values. So 1 upon root 2 into root 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon root 2 plus sine 30 is half. So this is root 3 upon 2 root 2 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Denominator is same. So root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. So now we got the value of sine 45. Right here, we got value of sine 75. So sine 75 is root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. This only we want. What is asked? Find the ratio of his sides. The sides are A, B, C. Its ratio is A is to B is to C. So A is to B is to C is 1 upon root 2 is to root 3 upon 2 is to root 3 plus 1 upon 2 root 2. So the ratio of sides is, answer is this. So here in the third sum we have used the sine rule. Now see question number 4. Question number 4 is, in triangle ABC, prove that sine B minus C by 2 is equal to B minus C upon A. This is angle and these are the sides, B minus C upon A. Sides you will write small letter, angle with capital letters. Cos A into cos A by 2. This is angle. A is angle. Now again we will use sine rule only. A upon sine A is equal to B upon sine B is equal to C upon sine C is equal to K. Now see here we will first take RHS. Here see B is there, side B is there, C is there and A is there. So first we will find the values of a, b, c. How to find? A is equal to, equate a upon sin a is equal to k. So a is equal to k sin a, b is equal to k sin b, and c is equal to k sin c. Now write down RHS first. RHS is equal to b minus c upon a into cos a by 2. Now substitute values of a, b, c. That is, what is our b? K sin b minus k sin c upon k sin a, and this cos a by 2 as it is. Now from this take k common. Sin b minus sin c upon k sin a. This k will get cancelled, and you will get sin b minus sin c upon sin a into cos a by 2. Now we have to, you should know the trigonometric formulas. Now here sin b minus sin c's formula. So formula is 2 sin b minus c by 2 into cos b plus c by 2. This is formula of sin b sin c. That is 2 sin b minus c by 2 angle it is into cos b plus c by 2 upon sin a into cos a by 2 as it is. Now in all sums you will need this. See, we know that addition of angles, sum of angles of the triangle is 90 degrees, 180 degrees. So a plus b plus c is equal to pi, means b plus c, here we want to see b plus c, so b plus c is equal to pi minus a. If you want a plus b, you can take pi minus c. Okay, a plus c, if you want, you can take pi minus b. So here we want b plus c, so b plus c is equal to pi minus a. Now we will substitute in this you have to remember how to take. Now 2 sin b plus c upon 2 into cos, what is b plus c? Pi minus a upon 2 into cos a by 2 upon sin a. Now 2 sin b minus c by 2 into cos separated pi by 2 minus a by 2. See, we have separated the angle into cos a by 2 upon sin a. Now see here cos pi by 2 minus a by 2. So here pi by 2 is there, so it will change when we write the angle, it will change to sine. But see the quadrant. Now see here pi by, here this is pi by 2 and suppose this is angle theta, pi by 2 minus theta. So here 0 degree, here pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus theta means it will come in first quadrant. See, pi by 2 minus a by 2, pi by 2 minus theta. Now in first quadrant all the trigonometric functions are positive. So when we write here, it will cos will change to sine. So sine a by 2, but negating all are positive, so sine a by 2. So see here now this sine b minus c by 2, here same I have written, this 2 I have transferred here 2. Then this cos pi by 2 minus a by 2 will change to sine a by 2 into cos a by 2, and this upon sine a as it is. Then sine b minus c by 2 into, now see this is the formula of sine a, means say sin 2 theta का formula, you know sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin a sin theta cos theta. So only the angle, half angle it is there, divided by 2. So you will get here 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2 means sin a. This as it is, instead of this you will write sin a and this sin a. So sin a will get cancelled and you will get sin b minus c by 2. That only we have to prove. See, up to here it's okay. Then this is the formula for sine theta. You know formula for sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. There only half angle is there, divided by 2. See here, divide by 2, everywhere divide by 2, you will get the formula. This 2 gets cancelled. So sine A is equal to 2 sine A by 2 into cos A by 2, which we have written here sine A. Sine A gets cancelled. You will get sine B minus C by 2, which is equal to LHS. In this way we have to prove this. So for that you should know the formula for sine rule, and you have to find the values of A, B, C, substitute in this, and main thing, how to write this, B plus C, you have to convert into pi minus A, and you have to mainly see the, while converting, see the quadrant also. In first quadrant all are positive, so we have written here cos changes into sine, and pi by 2 is there, therefore cos changes into sine A by 2 but plus.